World of Concrete 2018 coverage is brought to you by DeWalt. Check them out at DeWalt.com.
Tools in Action 2018 World of Concrete. We got a tool fight going on in the Bosch booth. We're going to do some vacuum stuff with water and all kinds of stuff, right?
Right.
We got Jim here. He's going to explain a little better than I can, so take it away.
Great. So you're looking at a duster tractor. It's important to understand what you're going to use it for. So when you deal with concrete, it's very difficult, again, to collect that concrete as you're using your tool. So what we want to show you here today is that every one of these extractors look the same. They all say they have 150 CFM, but do they maintain that 150 CFM when they're actually being used with an application? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn each one of these vacuums on. We're going to watch the water rise, the static rise of each of these vacuums. And obviously the higher it is, the better it can sustain that 150 CFM that it claims to have to have. Then after we see that rise, where they all end up to be, I'm going to turn it down. And turning it down to a lower amp draw, since I'm using the tool with the vacuum at the same time, and therefore again we'll see how much of a drop it goes from when it was at the high level to the low level. So we're going to turn on the vacuums right now.
Here.
So what's happening is we're showing that when I'm using a tool and I have to share the amps that's coming through that vacuum, I'm showing that my amp rating is really being adjusted and my water level is now being adjusted. Therefore, my CFMs that I'm expecting that's coming out of that vacuum is really not there where it really should be. Okay. And you can see where each one that dropped, Bosch being the lowest drop than the rest of them, and that's an indicator that maybe your vacuum is really not collecting the 150 CFM you expected to collect.
So you guys got a pretty good, wow, I just can't believe that.
Yeah. So it's a real true indicator of, again, where those levels are and what it really means.
Right. And I mean, are these designed for 100% duty cycle, like your vacuum?
Yeah.
So it could be on all day?
Right.
Wow.
It's supposed to be on all day, yes.
That's crazy.
And that's what each of us are trying to sell them as. Is to contractors, hey, they can be on all day and doing the best of everything.
Right.
So that's what we're showing.
Cool, good stuff. Is there more?
That's it.
Is that it?
That's what we're showing here.
All right.
Okay.
Cool. You guys, check it out. That was like a mini tool fight with all the vacuums going on. As you can see, the Bosch is definitely leading as far as, what do they call that? Water?
Static rise or water rise.
Water rise. So, good stuff, man. Check it out. Tools in Action. #A crew. And don't forget to go over to BoschTools.com.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.